What's going on, you guys? So today we're going to be talking about when to actually buy a stock. So let's say you found a company that you absolutely love, you want to be a shareholder, but your question is, when should I actually be buying this stock? So that's what we're going to answer in this video today. But before I get into this video, guys, I do want to remind you that if you are a beginner in the stock market or someone who's looking to learn more about investing, I have a free course on how to find a great investment. The link for that is in the description below, and you guys can get access to many different lectures that should help you when it comes to figuring out how to find the perfect investment. But let's go ahead and get into this video and talk about when to buy a stock. These are the 7 situations that will result in me purchasing a stock. Number 1 is when your target price is met. So once you have an idea of what you are willing to pay for that stock, and remember, it doesn't really come down to the share price. The share price has nothing to do with whether or not a stock is expensive or cheap. That comes from other fundamental analysis of that stock, looking at things like the price to earnings ratio, price to book ratio, and really studying these fundamental ratios and other indicators to tell you whether or not the stock is overvalued, fairly valued, or undervalued. So through fundamental stock analysis, you're able to determine what a reasonable price is to pay for that stock. And again, you could just wait for it to go on sale. As of making this video, we've seen a drastic correction with the Dow, and as a result, there are a lot of great companies that are on sale. So this could be a good opportunity to get in on an investment, and that is one of the other reasons on my list here as well. Number 2, exactly what we just talked about, is when there is unjustified pessimism in the market or within that stock. So when you're seeing people selling off, when you're seeing blood in the streets, that is when you should be getting in there and buying stocks on sale. If you're able to get a stock on sale for 20% off, that means you can get 20% more shares for your money than you could have when that stock was up higher. That is why, as an investor, you should be buying low and selling high. So anytime when there is unjustified pessimism, that is when you should be scooping up shares left and right. Number 3 is when you are ready to scale into an investment. This is something a lot of people don't talk about, but one of the best strategies when it comes to investing is not to buy everything at once. That's what's called lump sum investing, and I really don't recommend that unless something is at a really good price for a short period of time. The best way to buy into a stock is to accumulate shares over time. So if you are ready to scale in and start buying shares through a dollar cost averaging type strategy, or you're going to follow it and every time that stock falls 5%, you're going to add more to your position, that's called averaging down. That would be a good time to start buying in when you are ready to scale into ownership of that stock. Number 4 is when a new trend emerges. So if you are paying attention to trends and you see a new trend emerging and you want to invest in some kind of growth investment, that is when it would be a good time to buy into that stock. If you see the formation of a new trend and you think this company will benefit from that trend, then that would be a time when you would invest in that company. Number 5 is when you see an industry or market correction, which we just saw, like I said, with the Dow. When you see the whole market go on sale, that is a great time to get in there and start scooping up investments. You're going to see a lot of companies go on sale that don't ordinarily go on sale. They're just being dragged down due to a broad market correction. Number 6 is looking at technical buy signals. Now that is a whole other topic for another video, guys, but there are many technical analysis indicators you can look at that will give you an idea of the optimal time to enter a position, looking at things like the simple moving averages, support and resistance areas, just to name a few. And then number 7, guys, the one that a lot of people miss, is you buy a stock when you understand what it is that you are buying. If you're buying into a company and you don't really understand that business, you're not ready to be an investor. I've stressed this point many times in my videos, guys, but it is so important. Make sure you understand what it is that you are buying. And if you don't have a good understanding of the company you're investing in, even if all of these other 6 apply, you don't want to be investing in them yet until you understand what it is that you are buying. Anyways, guys, these are the 7 situations that result in me buying a stock. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to be notified of any future uploads. And as always, I thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you are interested in learning more about investing in the stock market, I've created a free course just for you. The link is in the description below. Here are a few other videos you might enjoy as well.